Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Amazon Seller Central Review My Usage Experience. Amazon Seller Central Review My Usage Experience offers a service to help Amazon sellers manage and analyze their product reviews. It's aimed at sellers looking to improve their product listings and boost sales by understanding customer feedback more effectively. Key features likely include review aggregation, sentiment analysis, and perhaps even tools to help respond to reviews. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. They claim ease of use and transparent pricing with no hidden fees, which is a big plus for any service like this. They emphasize a data-driven approach to review analysis, helping sellers identify trends and areas for improvement. Availability is likely tied to having an active Amazon seller account. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Amazon Seller Central Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. I simply connected my Amazon Seller Central account, and the platform automatically imported my product reviews. The interface is intuitive, with a clean dashboard showing key metrics like overall rating, review volume, and sentiment scores. I especially appreciated the ability to filter reviews by product, date, and even specific keywords. The sentiment analysis worked remarkably well. It accurately flagged positive and negative reviews, which saved me a lot of time sifting through them manually. The speed was excellent, data updates were near real-time. I had a quick question about a specific feature, and their support responded within a day via email, very helpful. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, but that's a relatively small inconvenience. Overall, I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the detailed sentiment analysis. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Amazon Seller Central Review My Usage Experience and would recommend it to other Amazon sellers looking to improve their product reviews management. That's my overview of Amazon Seller Central Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.